Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water.
Hello traders, and here I'm back doing the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, we are not having any high impact news into the market today. So be cautious because the price could be in range for the today's market. Let's move to the charts now. This is the monthly chart and it is pretty much evident, and we had talked about it a lot of times that this was the FVG level from where the price reacted, and right now we are within this candles range, this big candles range. So nothing much is clear though. So let's move to the weeklies to see what do we have in there. As we move into the weeklies, what we see is that the price was bearish and it was breaking the candles low. Apart from that, nothing much is available here. So let's move to the dailies. As we move into the dailies, what we see is that this was the BPR level we had been talking about, that the price can come here and we can see a reaction into the upside direction. And most likely, we are getting that reaction. And if we get a close above this FVG area, more likely we are going to go higher. Let me delete it. More likely, we are going to go higher. And this candle's high, or more likely, this volume balance zone will be a next factor or resistance for the price. So we'll be trading accordingly. Let's move to the 4 hours now. As we move into the 4 hour, what we see is that the price took the liquidity of the previous day over here and we moved into the higher side. And right now, what we have is this daily FVG, and I'm anticipating that the price can come down, mitigate something over here, and then we'll be moving into the higher direction. Let's move to the 1 hours. As we move into the 1 hour, what we see is that we are having this range of reaction for the price because we are having this BPR level over here and we are having this upside push and we are having this FVG level at this point, which is in alignment with the 4-hour FVG, I guess, or the daily FVG. So I'm anticipating that the price can come down, mitigate this level, and more likely we can go higher and see a reaction from this area. So this is pretty much it in the 1 hour. Let's move to the 30 minutes. So in the 30 minutes, what we see is that everything here is mitigated by the price. Every FVG is mitigated like at this level, and particularly level, I guess it is mitigated. No, not yet. But yeah, the recent level which was contributing the price to break this high is mitigated. So I'm anticipating that we are going to come down in this 1 hour FVG and we are going to continue our journey into the upside direction. So for now, my bias is like this, that we are going to build some liquidity over here, tap this level, and then continue into the higher direction till this level. So this is what my today's trade idea is. Apart from that, we are already completely mitigated over here. So I'm not anticipating that we are going to come down. And right now, my only working area is above this high to this particular BPR level. That is 18 pips or something. So do write me into the comments that what are your bias and how are you seeing the market and how do you interpret the current price action. Do let me know. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep trading.